This is the Halloween Suncatchers craft. First, you'll start by taking one of the 3 templates and cutting it out. Cut around the edge to start and leave the black border on it. Then you want to cut everything out from the inside. So cut out the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Then once you have those cut out, then you'll cut out the inside. And you want to keep the black border. Then you can place the eyes, the nose, and the mouth inside the outline of the pumpkin. And then take the backing off the adhesive paper, and you'll place that over the pumpkin with the sticky side down. And then you'll just press down lightly and then flip it over, and then you'll push those down harder. Then you'll take the orange tissue paper and the green for the stem if you'd like, and put it over the pumpkin. Then once you're done with that, you'll take the other adhesive paper and you'll stick it on there with the sticky side down. Then flip it over and cut out your pumpkin. Then you'll follow the exact same steps with the other 2 templates. So for the Frankenstein, you'll again cut out the outside, keep the black border, then cut out the inside and cut out all the individual pieces on the inside. This one is a little bit harder, so you can always get an adult to help you with that, with cutting out the little pieces. Then you can place adhesive paper over it and cover it with the gray and green tissue paper, and you cut out around the edge. Then you'll do the ghost. You'll cut out the edge of the ghost, cut out the inside, cut out all the individual pieces, and lay it out. Then put the adhesive paper over it, and the white tissue paper, and the other adhesive paper over it, and cut it out. Then you'll take a hole punch, and you will punch a hole in the top of each of the sun catchers. It is pretty thick, so you will have to push really hard. You can always get an adult to help you with this. Then take the string and you'll cut it into 3 equal parts. So you have one for each of the sun catchers. Then you'll thread it through the hole and tie a knot. That way you can hang your sun catcher if you'd like. Then when you're all done, hang it in your window.